Now I'm going to explain how to use functions that are built into the Flash player. If you want to follow along, I'm in usingfunctions.fla in the Chapter 3 folder. Here I have a very simple animation with a motion guide. If I test the movie, let's see how it works. Now you're already familiar with functions if you've used Script Assist at all or any form of action script. You've probably used stop actions to stop your movie. Well, the stop is actually a function. So let's write the stop function in our code. I click the Insert Layer button to create a new layer, and I'm going to call it Actions. The very last frame of the animation, I'm going to select it, and then press F7 on my keyboard to insert a blank keyframe. If you'd like to insert the keyframe using the window menu, you can go to Insert, Timeline, and then select Blank Keyframe. Select that frame, make sure it is highlighted, it should be black, and then open up the Actions panel by pressing Option F9 on the Mac or F9 on the PC. Inside of my Actions window, I'm just going to type stop, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, semicolon. Test the movie again. The animation plays once and stops. Running this function is exactly the same as in the last movie when we click the Run Function button. The stop function just simply stops a movie from playing, and we're running it by calling it here. We say the name of the function, which is stop, and an open and close parenthesis, and a semicolon to end the statement. Let's run one more function that you're familiar with already, and then we'll move on. I'm going to select stop and delete it, and I'm going to type go to, all lowercase, and with a capital A, and then stop with a capital S. Notice that it turns blue. Then I'm going to type an open parenthesis, and a 2, close parenthesis, and a semicolon. The reason I'm going to frame 2 and stopping is because the border doesn't appear on the screen until frame 2. So we'll just see it loop once and then he'll appear back on the screen. Press Command Return or Control Enter to test the movie. Watch it play once, and it ends at the beginning of the movie. And so there's a little overview of how to use functions that you already know. So in the next movie, I'll explain how to write your own custom functions.